Alright, listen. I don't know whose idea it was to travel when there was a tropical storm coming, but it's pouring down rain again. It was not my fault. It was my parents' fault. They picked this week. But it's okay. I would still rather be in Disney while it's raining than not be in Disney at all. So we're just going to make the best of it. We're getting some coffee, and then we're heading to Animal Kingdom.
Yeah.
Hi. Lily's back there too, but I don't have her mirror, so can't see. But yeah, we're gonna head to Animal Kingdom. Dun, da, da, da.
Dun, dun, dun. We're here.
We're out of breath. We're soaking wet. We have to put our ponchos on. I'm gonna die. I'm pushing this stroller. Angel turning. But we made it to Pandora. We're flight of passage in the blind this way. So we're going to flight of passage first on her. I have to wait in line for an hour. We're ready for this ride. Look at this. 45 minutes is what they said. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, 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 beautiful land. The Imagineers, man, they just do top-notch job all the time. Awesome. I'm so glad to finally be able to experience this, even though we're running for one of the rides right now. They did say Navi River Journey was a walk-on, but we will do that later. Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah, she said it's like 45 minutes, so hopefully it'll go quickly. It's like 9:05. We did get here before 9 o'clock, but we had to do some car seat switching and stuff like that since Angel is leaving today. Yeah, hopefully it'll work out. I'm really excited. It'll be fun. So it's 9:40. Waited in line for 37 minutes. We're just going through like the indoor part of the queue. So hopefully it won't take too much longer.
Seeing how much they were cleaning Epcot. Like literally every time you look, they're cleaning something. Yeah. He didn't like it. He didn't. It's not a bad. I mean, just. But he's an idiot. Newsom's gotta go. You know what they're tracking, right? So someone added one down the Yeah.
Amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an ikran, or as we call it, a banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. They're created by blending human DNA and Navi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment. Let's watch this piece by Dr. Ogden, who runs the program.
Welcome, everyone. I'm Dr. Jackie Ogden from the Pandora Conservation Initiative. You're about to experience a ceremony that's very special to the Navi. Connecting to an ikran and flying on its back is an incredibly important rite of passage they call Ikni Maya. With permission from the Navi and in partnership with Alpha Centauri Expeditions, we can now bring this amazing experience to you.
We establish a link using powerful psionic amplification equipment. A human driver is connected to an avatar, which could be physically hundreds of kilometers away. When you follow our technician into the link chamber, you'll see a series of 16 link chairs. Please go to the number that matches the number you're standing on. Now, straddle the seat, step forward, and sit down. Slide your hips forward until you are against the chest pad, and then move your feet all the way forward.
Once the link takes place, you'll be connected to your avatar and sitting on the back of an Ikron. It'll feel like you're really there. Moments later, you'll begin your flight. A Na'vi guide will lead you out. You'll experience the breathtaking beauty of Pandora, but you might also face some of its greatest challenges. Some of this flight might be intense.
does.
Yeah, like it's like doing colors. Maybe they are actually lighting up.
All right, we're going to Kilimanjaro Safari.
Right-hand side is the puppy. After many years, people saw the puppy. People thought it was related to the zebra. But upon first studying them, the late 1900s, they found out that there was
See it, Sophie?
No.
Right behind the
now
tree.
I do.
And up there to your right-hand side are some bongos.
Oh, see the bongos?
Bongos are nicknamed
Towards the back.
because you actually see them.
See them?
Wherever they can get themselves to push tree line. They stand about 4 feet tall, but always now the birds in the islands.
Yeah.
If a pelican club and exercise, that can be as small as 20 to about as large as 25. The beak feather on them does get a lot more.
Oh, you see the pelican eating a fish? The pelican's eating a fish. The crocodile?
You don't believe it, you're in. When you get about 500 pounds, my friends, little ones being sitting on the lap too.
See that one over there?
But when they are fully grown, they stand anywhere from 100 miles until they separate and go their own way.
Hola, don José. ¿Pasó usted por mi casa?
Oh, there she left.
Mira, papi, imagínate de este lado, mira.
Look at, there's more giraffes, Sophie.
This is called a and you also find that when they are fully grown, they may not look like it.
Sí, también
They
va a ver a
actually
mí.
will weigh close to about 7,000 pounds.
What? That's crazy.
Mickey un poco chiquito.
But they weigh 7,000 pounds.
They live for a lot of grass, trees.
Tiene cuernos también.
And it's because they are one of the more large ground ones.
Look at, so if there's your lion.
Like I said, it's still not knowledge. If you're aware to hear the roar of the lion,
Joven, sí. Wow, mira el de arriba.
That's what Pumbaa is. From Lion King. Uh-oh, there's an ostrich in the way.
Wow, mira el rinoceronte, se ve perfecto.
The ostrich in the road.
They are scavengers. So they go around looking for food. They're just going to pick it up and swallow it.
Sounds like me.
There's also some white rhinoceros in the back bush there to your right hand side. The white rhinoceros weigh between 4 and 5,000 pounds. And on average, live to be about 45 years of age. The age belongs to the ostrich. Ostrich eggs
What do you see?
weigh about
Straight ahead.
6 pounds.
The Everest, yep. Everest ride. Expedition Everest.
I can't wait to watch it. I mean,
Ride it.
rate it.
Yeah.
Ooh, it looks so much fun. I can't wait to go backwards. I don't think there was ever so. Ever.
We just got off Everest, and what are we getting ready to do again?
Again!
What are we doing again?
Go on Everest again.
Yeah. Was
I
it
think I want to go on it like 4 times.
was that like your favorite ride?
Yeah, in the whole entire world. The Demon is my second favorite.
Yeah, that's at Six Flags.
Yeah. Six Flags Great America. And if you want to go there, go to Six Flags Great America.
Yeah. But when we walked over here, it was a 25-minute wait, and we basically just walked on. So, yeah.
Wash your hands often and thoroughly. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing.
Oh, we go down! Oh, we go down! Oh, me and Mommy are matching.
Yeah, we got matching ears.
Yeah, see? See? Matching ears.
Yeah, it says 2020.
Yep, and Mom also says that.
Yep. Alright, we're getting ready to get on a dinosaur. Row 3. Alright. Third row. Doo-doo.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the Iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll. Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Oleoramus. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Locking autopilot. Homing signal now. Hang on.
Animal Kingdom. We love you. We had so much fun, huh? We didn't get to show you guys this earlier because it was pouring down rain when we came in. They have a beautiful Christmas tree. But I say, Lily had fun and Sophie had fun. Now we gotta take Daddy back to the airport. Boo! Oh, Sophie.